I was using this log splitter the other day, and midway through running it, the engine just cut out and died. Did a little bit of troubleshooting, found a no spark condition. So let's figure out why this Predator engine has no spark. I'm taking off the flywheel shroud because I see evidence of mice. So I'm thinking maybe they made a nest in there and damaged the magneto or something. Sure enough, there's gotta be some kind of problem with that. Maybe the easiest amount of troubleshooting I've done, but if you look here, this wire has been chewed through. It's got a light on that. Completely chewed through. Where does that go? The other end is probably here. Yep, there it is right there. So let's reconnect that. So let's make a new wire here. I don't have the female circle style connector, so I'll just replace this on the other end. Always be sure to make sure the collar is on this side. This is the side that the collar goes on, and this is the crimp side because it's flat. Put this heat shield back on.